Alright, out here in Bigfork, Montana. Got a nice little snowstorm. Brody tearing apart what's left of Frosty. Nice little storm brewing. It is 23 degrees. Beautiful outside though. Take a little walk. This is the back 40 of the Outback Montana RV park. Got everything nestled because we're expecting a below, 20, maybe even 30 degrees come all the way to a Thursday. So we gotta make sure everything's plugged in, everything's buttoned up. I just want to show everyone the beautiness of Montana. And of course we got Brody. He's just loving life. Got his new jacket on. All right, Brody. You're a good boy. Yeah, good boy. Oh, sorry for the finger. It's been a while since I posted something other than a short. It's not exactly going to be the longest video, but something that's really nice. And back to the clown car. Yeah, I put a short on with this Frosty the Snowman, if you want to check it out. And that was the day that our guest from Texas ended up building. But this is 4 days later and Brody dismantling it here and there. There was a carrot on there and Brody got that on the second day. He ate it. He liked it. All right, guys. Hope you had a safe and wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, all that fun stuff. All the way from Bigfork, Montana, right near Kalispell if you look it up. We're probably a little over an hour away from the Canadian border. So, all right, like, subscribe. I'd like to build up the subscriptions that we have, subscribers. It'd be really nice, and I'll start sending some more regular videos of the winter that's coming. All right, until then, take care, guys. Bye.